Innovation hotbed. The modern supply chain is rapidly becoming smarter, faster, more networked, and more technologically advanced. Thanks to digitalization, the DHL Logistics Trend Radar offers valuable insights into the trends shaping the digital transformation of the logistics sector, and the various opportunities and challenges they create. Here we pointed on a few examples.
Augmented reality. Blurring lines between the digital and physical worlds. AR-enabled smart glasses display task information, read barcodes and support indoor navigation, providing workers with the right information, at the right time, and in the right place. Vision picking, or order picking using smart glasses and warehouse applications, will be a key application area for the augmented reality. Hands-free operation results in higher efficiency and error-free processes, reducing costs and increasing efficiency.
Artificial intelligence.
AI enables predictive logistics that allow operators to be proactive instead of reactive. AI in the supply chain market is projected to reach $21.8 billion globally by 2027, according to meticulous research analysis. Real-time connectivity helps improve service quality, optimize asset utilization and increase operational security.
IoT, also known as Internet of Things.
Connecting literally anything to the Internet and accelerate data-driven logistics.
IoT enables everyday objects to send, receive, process and store information, and thus actively participate in self-steering event-driven logistics processes.
The global connected logistics market is expected to reach more than $27 billion by 2023, according to Allied Market Research. Competitive advantage, through data-driven decision-making and shift towards a predictive AI-powered supply chain.
(3D) printing technology. Impacting logistics by adding new diversity to manufacturing strategies.
Regional logistics networks will become more complex with an increasing shift from offshoring to nearshoring strategies, impacting regional and local supply chains and distribution. Instead of managing multiple warehouses stacked with spare parts that are typically rarely ordered, logistics providers can set up a global 3D printing infrastructure coupled with a software database of digital models.
The global 3D printing market could be worth $550 billion by 2025.
Fifth technology, batch size 1. Decentralizing production to mass produce highly customized goods.
Companies will establish micro-production sites closer to demand, such as near or within megacities. Answering the need for product hyper-customization and ever-faster delivery times, these highly automated micro-production sites will utilize cutting-edge robotics, automation and 3D printing technologies to rapidly produce personalized goods.
Sixth technology is SuperGrid Logistics.
Integrating all parties along multiple supply chains. Based on a logistics as a service, smart business networks can be created and individual intermodal, multimodal and synchro-modal solutions can be executed quickly and cost-efficiently.
Logistics e-forwarders can offer customers, end-to-end, logistics services through broker platforms or similar concepts to connect shippers and carriers. Beyond its e-commerce activities, China's Alibaba is continuously increasing its reach into the logistics realm by investing more than $15 billion through 2024 to build a global logistics network. Trasing Conveyors is inviting you to create your own approach to our organization, in order for you and your company to get the very best user experience in industry.